Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to reviewing my skincare from Guerlain, and we're going to be talking about Abeille Royale skincare line. And if you're a huge fan of Guerlain, then please keep on watching. Before I'm going to proceed with the video, I'd like to urge you to subscribe to my channel, to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out future uploads, and join me on my Instagram. I would love to have you. Now going back to my skincare, I have been talking a lot about La Mer. Well, a lot on my channel. I mentioned that I am a La Mer junkie. I love their skincare. It works for me, not because it is La Mer, but because it really moisturizes my skin deep enough that I am happy with the results. And skincare is something I am not particularly fond of playing with. However, when the winter comes, I have to make that extra step in order to keep my skin hydrated and very happy. And that extra step is Abeille Royale from Guerlain. I am going to be reviewing all the products that I personally use. I'm not married to them, but they are my regular, particularly for the winter time once again. And I'm going to be reviewing them as I am applying them. All of the products from Abeille Royale, they are Black Bee line, anti-aging skincare repair, and bee products are scientifically proven to be the best and most effective healing substance. So therefore, a little bit about this lotion. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It is very light. It feels like water. So what I do, I just shake the bottle gently and I just directly just drop. Because the bottle is plastic, you could technically somewhat navigate how many drops you want. I let it sink into my skin, which happens very quickly. This lotion is designed to vitalize your skin, to tone it and balance it. So therefore, I am loving this new addition to my Abeille Royale routine. It retails for $75 plus tax. You do get fair amount, which is 150 milliliters. Or 5 fluid ounces of product. It is made in France. It has a 12 months of shelf life, but the way I use it, it has no chance for it to survive for 12 months. So I absolutely love it. So this is the step number 1 for my routine. Next thing in line, I have this Abeille Royale oil. I'm sure you could see, I'm just going to shake it very gently for you to see. So it has these little capsules of the concentrated black bees properties that you are technically breaking when they are on your face, and they are helping you to smooth and to achieve anti-aging effect. So it comes with a dropper. I get about 4 to 5 drops on my face directly. Once again, I don't put it on my hands. I'm so dry, my fingers will soak in the entire product, so my face will be shortchanged. So this is how I do it. And a little bit about this particular product. This one is 50 milliliters. It is made in France. Once again, it is 12 months shelf life. This particular size retails for $135 plus tax. So this is designed for smoothing, plumping, toning, and visibly revitalizing your skin. I apply it on my face and on my neck. It feels very nice, luxurious. It soaks into my skin. It does not give me that sticky effect. And I'm absolutely loving this oil. I am shaking it a little bit, so they sometimes say don't shake it too violently. I mean, I don't really think that it is possible for the oil to break these little capsules because it's supposed to be going into your skin. So I'm just giving it a fair shake, so don't be afraid. Step number 3 is the actual cream. So this is going to be the night cream. Very beautiful lid. You do get a lid to keep everything intact. And this is the actual cream. The cream is very light. It does not have a greasy sensation. And it feels like gel more rather than anything. Very thick. And also you do get this special spatulas. I left mine in a bathroom. I'm not going to go get it. But you do get something of this sort. Special spatula to retrieve a little bit of cream. And because we just use these two products, so oil actually helps you to reduce the amount of cream that you will need in order to keep your face happy. So it's a win-win. Yes, in my humble opinion it is. So when it comes to the application of the cream, I just use the motions up and up. I completely forgot to mention that I also love to use this Nurse Jamie tool, amethyst stone tool, that helps me kind of work to break down fats that are gathering in my forehead, and especially here where the eyebrows are. So I did notice there was a period of time that, you know, I felt like there is kind of like canals started to come through. I was like, hello, we're not in Venice, so let's not do that. And I felt that this tool definitely helped me to kind of break things down. And when you have your oil on your face, these two kind of working beautifully together. Not compulsory, but I'm just sharing with you how I do it. This cream retails for a whopping $182 plus tax, but once again, because it has the healing properties from the black bees, and ever since I'm using these products, I did notice that my skin is thriving. It's doing exceptionally well. I don't have the dry patches. My skin is just hydrated, and this is one of the key moments when it comes to prevent anti-aging, to moisturize as many times as you can, at least in my humble opinion. I wish I knew that little tip earlier, because I started to use moisturizers that are anti-aging a little later than I should have done, but I think I'm not doing too badly, if I may say so. Moving on swiftly. A couple more things about this cream. It is very light, it is non-greasy, it soaks into your skin very easily. I use the motions from down up, and try to stay away from this, otherwise you will be getting your hands a very nice treat. When it comes to the actual cream, it is made in France. It has 12 months shelf life. You do get 50 milliliters, which is 1.6 fluid ounces of product. The packaging is beautiful, made out of glass, feels also bougie, very nice. I love it. A little nippy in the pocket for sure, but then again, we're talking about Guerlain, and it is anti-aging product. Even when it comes to the anti-aging, any company that has a little bit of a something oomph put into the creams that they have, and it's anything to do with anti-aging, there's always a little bit of a price increase involved. And next thing I have is this daytime cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. Let me open this up for you. Once again, it has a protective lid, and this is what the cream looks like. This cream is very light and it's very smooth, and it gives you that immediate hydration that I always long for. So a little more information about this cream. It retails for $153 plus tax. It contains 50 milliliters of product. It is made in France and it has a shelf life of 12 months. So here are these creams together, and they work fabulously well, whilst this one will give you that extra moisturization and a little bit greasier, but without it being greasy, if you get my drift. This one is super light. You will be more than happy to apply your daytime makeup, and it will not compromise the actual makeup application. Sometimes creams do that. For instance, if I use my La Mer original cream in the morning, then my application of the makeup is a little bit unknown until I actually do it. So therefore I use my, where is it? It seems like I can't find anything today, so I do use my Embryolaze. This is my cream that I use to apply most of my makeup. So therefore, these are just fabulous. I know they are a little bit on the expensive side, and I absolutely am loving these items, and I strongly recommend them to you. Although despite the fact that the winters where I live, they're not brutal at all, but it is still cold outside, and I feel the difference in my skincare routine when I don't have these creams and especially oils involved in my skincare. I just love it. I know La Mer have the oil too, but I prefer to buy Guerlain, because I just been using it for so long and it has been really, really good to me. So I am very loyal customer to these particular products. Also, I would like to mention something that I have run out and I definitely am going to be repurchasing. This is the Daily Serum. You had this little capsules inside, and what happens is each capsule is containing a concentrated amount of the black bee anti-aging skincare, and that is going up to the tube, and every time you press the button it crashes the actual capsule and you just apply it, and it's fabulous. It's just fabulous. There are many opinions regarding the skincare, and one of the opinions that I have heard so often is that you should moderate and make changes in your skincare, not using the same cream forever. So as far as I'm concerned, Abeille Royale is that extra skincare that I'm throwing in my everyday routine, and that helps me keep my skin happy, bump and texture free, also keeps my youth. And as far as I'm concerned, they're my must-have items, and if you do have a chance to try them, please do. I think you will be very, very impressed. You don't have to buy all of them. If one thing I would strongly recommend is the actual oil, because all of this is sometimes can get a little bit heavy and nippy in the pocket, but overall please try at least one thing. I'm sure you will be hooked just like I am. So on this fantastic note, I would like to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it informative and helpful, and should you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Leave me requests and I'll see you in my next one, but for now it's bye bye.